Marcus Aurelius, a famous Stoic thinker, suggested thinking about how valuable life is when you wake up. He said, when it's early and you struggle to get out of bed, remind yourself that you have to live as a human being. Why should I complain if I'm doing what I'm supposed to do in life, the things I was born to do? Is it better to stay warm under the covers, or am I meant for something more? How can we make a morning routine that shows we appreciate life like the Stoics did? In this video, we'll talk about some Stoic habits that can help you start your day feeling calm and focused. If you like the video and want to support me in sharing Stoic ideas, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss a new video. Lesson 1. Instead of setting goals, focus on writing daily intentions. Both goals and intentions shape our journey, but they do so differently. Goals look ahead to the future, focusing on outcomes, achievements, and results, providing us with direction. On the other hand, intentions concentrate on the present, emphasizing the journey, our values, and the person we aim to become. Goals often rely on external factors beyond our control, and unexpected challenges can disrupt them despite our efforts. Intentions, however, remain within our control. They reflect our personal values, guiding how we choose to live regardless of external circumstances. As you start your morning, consider the type of day you desire. Rather than solely focusing on tasks, ask yourself who you want to be today. Do you aim to be patient, embracing each moment without haste? Will you show compassion to yourself and others, recognizing everyone's struggles? Perhaps you seek to be brave, confronting challenges directly and stepping out of your comfort zone. One approach to beginning your day is by setting intentions. These aren't goals to achieve, but qualities to embody. For instance, you might commit to being mindful of your words, seeking understanding, or finding peace amidst chaos. Intentions guide your actions and reactions, aligning them with your inner values. Seneca wisely noted that it's not just what we endure, but how we endure it. Intentions help us align daily choices with our values, measuring success by our actions and responses. They provide direction and purpose amidst daily uncertainties. Another way to start your day is by embracing discomfort. While modern life often prioritizes comfort, historical thinkers understood its pitfalls. They advocated for introducing small discomforts to build resilience and prepare for life's challenges. One philosopher suggested simple living for better preparation. This wasn't about unnecessary suffering, but about realizing inner strength. Embracing discomfort symbolizes our ability to thrive and overcome challenges. For instance, opting for a cold shower can invigorate both body and mind, symbolizing our capacity to overcome obstacles. Skipping that first cup of coffee reminds us that our drive comes from within, not external sources. Reflective practices like meditation or choosing physical effort, such as walking or biking, can also cultivate resilience and awareness. These daily discomforts serve as mental and spiritual training, preparing us for life's bigger challenges. Voluntarily exposing ourselves to discomfort helps us appreciate our comforts and find inner freedom. By letting go of unnecessary attachments, we tap into a deeper source of strength, independent of external conditions. Lesson number 2. Reflect on how everything changes over time. A central idea in Stoic philosophy is understanding and embracing the temporary nature of everything. Before the hustle and bustle of the day begins, take a moment to connect with this truth. Find a quiet place to sit without distractions. Ensure you're sitting comfortably yet attentively, finding a balance between calmness and alertness. Close your eyes and picture the vastness of the universe. Picture stars being born and fading away, galaxies twirling endlessly. In this grand cosmic spectacle, nothing remains permanent. Consider zooming out to see the Earth as a tiny dot in the immense expanse of space. Imagine how this perspective might change your view of human history, the wonders of nature, and your own life. This isn't meant to make you feel insignificant, but to help you appreciate the beauty and delicacy of your existence. Recognizing the brevity and preciousness of life allows you to focus on what truly matters to you, avoiding wasting time on trivial matters. Starting your day with this awareness brings a sense of purpose and thankfulness. Rather than fearing death, you can choose to embrace life and seize every moment. As the ancient philosopher Seneca noted, it's not that our time is short, but that we often squander it. By practicing this reflection each morning, you remind yourself to live fully and meaningfully every day. Lesson 3. Write down your thoughts. Keeping a diary isn't just about recording your life. It's also a way to delve into your inner thoughts. It serves as a means of self-reflection, grounding, and sometimes even healing. Writing down your thoughts helps you clarify, express, and transform them. To start, choose a diary that fits you, whether it's a plain notebook, a fancy journal, or a digital app. This is your private space where you can be honest and free without fear of judgment or pressure. Here, you can let your thoughts flow naturally. Each morning, jot down whatever comes to mind, dreams, emotions from the day before, or expectations for the day ahead. Begin by clearing your mind of distractions, like sweeping leaves off a patio. Then, focus on gratitude. In the grand scheme of things, we often forget to appreciate what we have. Stoicism reminds us to cherish the present moment. Write down 3 things you're truly grateful for, whether it's the comfort of your bed, a loved one's smile, or the chance to start anew. Beyond gratitude, reflect on yourself. Consider a Stoic principle or a personal challenge. Ask yourself questions. Am I living by my values? Where did I act impulsively instead of rationally yesterday? How can I improve today? This isn't about judgment. It's about raising awareness and growing. Lastly, set an intention for the day. Choose a simple statement or commitment based on Stoic virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, or temperance. This serves as your moral compass, guiding your actions and decisions. Remember, your journal reflects your inner world. It's a tool, a companion, a guide. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, started with his personal journal. It was his way of applying Stoic principles, understanding his actions, and navigating life's complexities. Lesson 4. Engage in mindfulness and meditation. Both mindfulness and Stoicism stress the significance of our perceptions and the power of living in the present. Begin your morning by setting aside time for mindfulness or meditation. This doesn't mean you must sit in a particular position or repeat specific words unless that works for you. Instead, it means grounding yourself in the present moment. Find a quiet spot, get comfortable, and close your eyes. Shift your focus inward and start by observing your breath, feeling it flow in and out. Allow your thoughts and feelings to come and go, envisioning them like leaves drifting on a stream or clouds passing in the sky. The key is detachment. You're the observer, not an active participant. This practice aligns with Stoic teachings, which encourage separating events from our judgments about them. At the end of your meditation, reflect on a Stoic principle or quote. For instance, consider Amor Fati, or the love of fate. Amor Fati invites us to embrace every challenge and victory as a gift, recognizing them as essential aspects of life. It's not about escaping reality, but rather loving it, regardless of its appearance. This practice cultivates deep acceptance and gratitude from the moment we awaken, reminding us that the present is a gift full of opportunities for growth, learning, and connection. Ultimately, Amor Fati offers Stoic peace, guiding us toward a life characterized by acceptance, gratitude, and unconditional love for the present moment. Lesson number 5. Go over Stoic teachings again. The profound wisdom of Stoic teachings offers us timeless guidance for living gracefully, with strength and purpose. However, these teachings aren't merely words to read once and forget. They're like seeds that require regular nurturing to grow within us and manifest in our daily actions. Every morning, make it a practice to immerse yourself in the wisdom of Stoic masters. Whether it's Marcus Aurelius' contemplative reflections, Seneca's comforting letters, or Epictetus' practical discourses, approach these texts with reverence and intentionality. Rather than simply skimming through them like any other book, engage with them purposefully. Perhaps select a passage at random or use a dedicated Stoic meditation book. Often, you'll find a nugget of wisdom that resonates perfectly with your life or what you need for the day ahead. Once you've chosen a passage, take time to truly ponder it. Read it attentively, let its meaning sink in, and reflect on how it aligns with your life. Consider the truths it reminds you of. After contemplation, consider jotting down your thoughts. Writing isn't just about putting words on paper. It's a way of internalizing the ancient wisdom, making it your own, and discovering new dimensions of the teaching as it intersects with your life. Yet, Stoicism isn't solely about contemplation. It's about action. Thus, the essence of this morning routine is to translate the teachings into deeds. If today's lesson emphasizes the brevity of life, let it inspire you to cherish each moment and release worries about others' opinions. Each Stoic teaching is a call to action, urging you to live your day with integrity and wisdom. If you have friends or a community sharing this Stoic journey, discuss these teachings with them. Conversing about what you've learned and exchanging different perspectives can deepen your understanding and foster a sense of collective growth. Revisiting Stoic teachings each morning isn't merely about reading. It's about reaffirming your commitment to living purposefully, mindfully, and virtuously. As the Stoics remind us, understanding wisdom isn't enough. We must embody it in our lives. By adopting this practice, you make mornings full of profound and glowing appreciation for life, guiding you towards a day of honesty, meaning, and goodness. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I appreciate your company. Our examination of Stoic morning routines offers opportunities to enrich your mornings, shape your days, and fundamentally transform your life. Remember, each new dawn brings an opportunity to embrace life with gratitude, courage, and love. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.